I would expect all of you that you have gone through the introduction part. I'm going very slow, and since all the students who are reading or who are trying to learn this particular course are very small, so I will go to that particular level and try to explain you each and everything. Now let's talk about the addition. Okay. Now whenever I talk about the addition, you people also feel it's a very easy thing. Alright, it's very easy thing, 5 plus 8, 11 and all of that, we can do it. But imagine if you have a big number like, let's take 3, 5, 4, 6, 1 and 2, 7, 8, 9, 2. And if somebody asks you to do, so what do you generally do? You will just add 1 plus 2, 3, then 6 plus 9, 15, 5, 1 carry, and then keep doing like that, right? It will take a lot of time and you need a pen and paper and all to do all this. But what trick or what we are going to understand using this Vedic math is every calculation has to be done in the mind, and we can directly write the answer for it. So I am going to train you in such a way that no matter how much big addition, how many digit or whatever number they have given, you can add within no time in your mind without using marker, without using paper, pen, nothing. Right. So to do that, we are going to start from the very basic again. So first thing I'm going to do, since one digit we have already added in that box, I'm not going to repeat that again. We are going to add double digit plus single digit, double digit plus single digit. Like for example, let's take 36 plus 7. Or let's take 49 plus 1. Okay. Or let's take 78 plus 8. Okay. Or let's take 36 plus 2, like that. Now, here, whenever you do the traditional method of addition, whatever you have learned in your school, and generally what you do, you start from your right and go to left like this. But now onwards, whenever we are learning in Vedic math, or now onwards whenever we learn, we are getting trained that you will be doing from left to right. Always you will be doing from left to right, and all the calculation has to be done in the mind. Let's do how it is. Okay. So first, always one by one. 3, nothing is there on the top. So 3 should come as it is. But the next part. So next part is what? So let me write 3 over here for time being. But this should be in your mind. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. 13 is carry number. Which means this 3 we will add 1, 4. And since 13 is carry number, what is the end number of this? 3. That's it. Don't write 1. 1 will be added here. Just write end number. That's the reason I made you to practice end number. Let's do this one. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means you are getting 0. And this is basically we start from here, 4. But you will see this number whether it is a carry number or non-carry number. If it is a non-carry number, the 4 will copy as it is. If it is a carry number, we will add 1 in it, only 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is a carry number, that is 1. So it will become 5 and 0. What is the end number of 10? 0. Okay. So calculation should be in mind. Okay. Now let's try to do this. 7. I should write as it is, for example, for time being. But 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is a carry number, which means this 7 will become 8. And here what is the end number? 86. That's it. What is 6? This one, 36. So 3 should be as it is. 6 plus 2 is not a carry number because it is 8. So let's just write directly 38. So that is the use of carry number. It might looks very easy because it's single digit additions, right? It might looks very easy. Obviously it is a single digit addition, so it looks easy. When we keep increasing the numbers, then you will understand why we are doing this and what is the easiness of writing this end number and all of that. What is the easiness of writing the end number and all of that. Right. Correct. I hope you have understood this. I will give you a few questions to practice that you can practice as well. And from now onwards, you have to promise me one thing, that whenever you go, whatever you're doing, any calculation, whether you're going to buy some vegetable or anything like that, you will utilize your mind without using mobile calculator or pen or paper, and you will follow this particular trick. I'm sure if you keep this in practice within time, not necessary that it will come very quickly, but maybe 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, 6 months, if you practice it, I'm sure you will become one of the master, and your calculation speed will become very faster, more than the calculator. That is the power of the Vedic math. Okay, is it okay? Yeah. Then we have next is called as double digit. We are adding plus double digit. Double digit plus double digit. Let's try this. Now here, that carry thing and end number will be more effective than this, because this is the single digit. I'm sure all of you are very much aware and how to do and all of that. But remember, whenever you're doing Vedic math, you will always go from left to right, not from right to left like in traditional method. So let me put here some number. Let's take 48 plus 21. Okay. Then let's put 65 plus 32. Then let's put 97 plus 86. Okay. Then one more, let me put that 82 plus 18. Okay. Right. See, it doesn't matter how many you do. It's only about how quick you understood. So if you understand the concept, number of repetition is not needed. So understanding is very important here, right? So let's do slowly. Remember, from left to right, 4 plus 2, it's supposed to be 6 over here, right? But we have to see whether this is carry number or not. So 8 plus 1, 9 is not a carry number. So 69, that's it. Done. Generally what you do, 8 plus 1, 9, then 4 plus 2, if it is a carry number, you carry here and click 10, right? So but here what is happening is, it is going within one step, like within mind everything he has to do, and quickly you can do that particular thing. Here 6 plus 3, it's supposed to be 9, but we will check whether this is carry number or not. So 5 plus 2, 7, so it is not a carry number, so we can add this. Next, 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 8 is 17, so it's supposed to be 17. 9 plus 8 is 17, but here what is happening? 7 plus 6 is also a carry number. 7 plus 6 is a carry number, that is 13. So instead of writing 17, what I'm going to do, 8 and only the end number of this. Don't again write the 13 over here. No, it is not like that. Only the end number you are writing there, right? So 183. Now let's do this in mind. Let's not worry about anything else. Let's do this in mind. So 8 plus 1, 9. And this is also carry number, that is 10. So 1 will come here, it will become 10 and 0. That's it. Let's do few more. For example, let's take 55 to 76. So what will happen? 5 plus 7, 12. But this is also a carry number. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 12 plus 1, what will happen? 13. And here, what is the end number of 11? 1. Keep that 11 in mind. Let me do one more thing, that is 69 plus 36. Okay, now 6 plus 3 is 9. Keep that in mind and check whether this is a carry number or not. So 9 is in mind. So 9 plus 6, 15 is a carry number. So from 15, 1 will carry from here, that will be 10. And what is the end number there? 105. So this is how easily you can do the number of calculation of 1 digit or 2 digit and all of that thing, right? So you can make a note of it and practice few questions, few addition. Wherever you see the number, start calculating and start adding everything. I'm sure you will become a master. But remember, don't forget the trick. You have to go from left to right, and one by one you have to see. If it is a carry number, you have to only write the end number over here and all of that. Why I'm telling this? Because these are the easiest number, 2 digit, 1 digit and all. When it becomes such big numbers, that time this trick will be very helpful. So our aim is to understand these kind of calculation. More than this, if there are list of number, how do you calculate? So these are the trick that we are going to do, right? So make a note of it.